Hello everyone, Brandon here at Impeccabilities powered by Kai Zinc. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use hot peel DTF film. So once it's time to peel, you want to pull edge to edge, and you want to do it quick. So you want to go just like that. And don't be scared of doing that. It's not going to mess up the print. I will show you right now what will happen to the print if you were to pull it slowly, which is what you would do with cold peel after it's cooled down. So if you start pulling it very slowly like this, as you can see, it just starts ripping the print, and you don't want to do that. So yeah, don't be afraid to just rip it like a band-aid. And as you can see, this is how you want your print to look versus that. That's not what you want. But yeah, that is how you use hot peel DTF film. Thank you.